putting cuffs on me because I'm a member of the press.
There you go.
I got a phone.
Put your phone down.
I'm going to set it right here.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. This video comes to you by way of Hilltop News. This guy gets arrested. You want to know why? Because he doesn't have a press pass to be a journalist. But folks, city council meetings are open to the public. You don't need credentials nor a press pass to be a journalist. In the First Amendment of the Constitution, you have a freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of religion, freedom of assembly, and freedom to petition your government for a redress of grievances. You don't need a press pass like you don't need a religion pass to go to church. The only time you would ever need a press pass is if there is a private event going on and that private event is allowing certain news agencies to come in. But when it's a public meeting like this, you don't need a press pass. And you're going to hear this guy argue with the reporter from the mainstream media, newspaper, or television. They're sitting here laughing at him, talking crap. Folks, let's go ahead and check out this video. I definitely want to send this guy some support, so make sure you guys go subscribe. Let's get right to the video. I'll see you guys at the end.
I'm independent. I do. I do. I'm press. I'm press. I'm press.
You're not a member of a legitimate press.
How do you get a badge for the press? Who do you get it from?
You're not employed by them.
You gotta be employed by them.
Yeah, I've got more subscribers than you.
I doubt it.
I bet you I do. I bet you I do.
What's that?
I got more subscribers than they do.
Sit back there. Do you mind
Like I
having-
said, look, everybody, it says press. I've got a press pass right here.
That offends me.
Look, I'm going to video this thing for my news channel, and I'm press. The First Amendment gives me the right to
If that's the case, everybody here would be
independent press.
First Amendment.
They can,
About the
if they
press.
want a video, they can.
Video from back there.
I've got plenty of subscribers that are wanting me to video this live, which
I'm
what
sure
we're
you probably
doing
got
now.
People want you to video. We're gonna video it back there.
I'm videoing with the press. That's where they're at. If I move, they should move.
They're the legitimate press.
I am legitimate press. I've had the press for over 3 years now.
I have 50 years of experience.
Well, good for you.
You're not
Well, good for you. I swear.
Before this meeting starts, move back.
I want to video these people where it says press.
Right back on the middle.
Right here's time. It says press.
Standing right there, takes them to jail.
For what?
Disorderly conduct. I'm asking you.
What am I doing?
Listen,
What am I doing?
you're sentencing where you're not designated to sex.
Why did you go to Chilhowie with the town manager?
You don't have your facts right.
Really? You don't know what I'm talking about?
Well, if you don't, but I've been Joe Alley's been done.
You've never been in Chilhowie
I've been Joe Alley, yeah, but not.
with the mayor?
No. I've already heard that complaint. That's not even true.
Who'd you hear from?
I heard from somebody here in the office.
Really?
Yeah.
I wonder who. Look, I've been pressed for a long time. I've got my badge. The First Amendment, you swore an oath
Where'd you
to.
get that from?
I made it.
I'm the Virginia Press Association.
Well, good for you.
And
Who issues press passes?
the state police.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do.
The First Amendment gives everybody freedom of the press.
Nah, no, really.
Yeah,
If that's the case, everybody here would be
Look
on
it
the
up.
press.
State
Look it
police
up.
press
look it up. The First Amendment. Look it
Everybody-
up.
Everybody here would be on the press.
Look it up. You have a lawyer right there.
And he's gonna tell you right now.
You have a lawyer right there that knows the First Amendment. And if y'all violate my First Amendment, you get sued. So that's why I'm asking you. You've got an attorney right there.
Well, I'm telling you right now, you're fixing to go to jail for disorderly conduct.
Ask the attorney.
All right, guys, I'm going to read to you what he wrote in his description of his video. The meeting had not even started when the chief of police came to me telling me to move from the press table. I showed my press pass, but he said I was not press. If I was, then everyone is. I was cuffed as the town lawyer watched along with the town council. My phone was taken. It was turned off. I had to plead with them to turn the phone on as they have no body cameras. The magistrate did not even take the time to hear if it was a lawful arrest, which it was not. The First Amendment means nothing in small-town America. We must stand up for our rights. Saltville Town Hall number is 276-496-5342 if you want to call. Smith Commonwealth Attorney, 276-782-4042. The Saltville Progress does not believe in the freedom of speech. They only write what they are told. Their number is 276-496-5792. They started all of this. Chief Puckett arrested me and never read me my rights.
You can move back there right now.
Ask the attorney right there. I mean, just he's right there.
He's representing us. He's not stopping us.
I know he's representing us.
You're not press. Get back in the regular gallery for everybody else.
Excuse me. Are you the? Where's he at? Are you the attorney? I was just wanting to
Let's
get
go. We're gonna
advice
walk
from
you out
you.
nice. Let's go. You're going to jail. Disorderly conduct. Let's go.
For what?
Disorderly conduct. Get up and stay. Give you enough opportunity, enough chance.
Alrighty.
We held the meeting long enough. I tried to get you moved back multiple times. Let's go.
Let's go.
We don't recognize that past. He's refusing to listen to us.
No, that's
Disrupting the
definitely true.
Hands behind the back.
Putting cuffs on me because I'm a member of the press.
There you go.
I've got a phone.
Put your phone down.
I'm going to set it right here. Set it right here. I'm going to.
Every opportunity.
Yeah. Don't turn it on.
Let's be honest, folks. I know my voice can get annoying as some of the things I say become repetitive, but this is happening over and over again. How many times do we have to keep seeing people get arrested for a non-crime? Cops are out there enforcing feelings, not law. And this is why when we started going out there asking cops if they knew and understood the oath that they swore to in order to get that job, if they at least knew the 5 fundamental freedoms of the First Amendment, we began to see a pattern of cops not knowing it. This means cops swearing an oath to protect and serve the Constitution or the people is a massive hoax perpetrated on the American people. Cops are not here to protect and serve the people. Castle Rock v. Gonzalez and Descheny v. Winnebago reminds us of that. So who the hell protects the people from bad cops who don't know anything about the Constitution? We, the people, have to protect each other, folks. And that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and send you guys over to Hilltop News' channel. And that reporter that was sitting in there talking all that mess, she will learn soon enough that mainstream media is not getting the type of viewership that they used to get. We are real news, folks. Many of you guys tune in to find out what's going on. Many of you guys don't turn into Channel 23, ABC, Fox, CNN. We watch real news on YouTube from unbiased news reporters. I'm going to go ahead and drop some information for you guys so you can redress your grievances with this department. They need to drop this guy's charges immediately. All right, folks, so with that being said, I want to thank you all for tuning in. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.